Hi guys. In this video, we go to see how to create a FaucetPay account. Let's get started. Step 1. Click the below link in description. You will redirect to this page. Step 2. Create account. Now fill your details given fields. Username, email address, repeat email address, choose a password, repeat a password. Once you've filled everything, then click Terms of Conditions and Privacy Policy checkbox and solve the CAPTCHA. Finally click Sign Up button. You can see, account was successfully created. Step 3. Verify account. Now go to the mailbox, open the confirmation mail, then click the confirmation link. You redirect to this page. Now fill details and solve the CAPTCHA. Finally click Sign In button. Now it's sent a 6-digit confirmation code to your email address. Go to the mailbox and open confirmation code mail. Copy the 6-digit code, then paste the code here. Finally click Login Me In button. Now your account is successfully verified. Thanks for watching. If you need more earning video, click subscribe button.